she was not thinking about her parents. Even her parents were compelling her always to go coaching when it was our 11th one, it was our 10th one, it was our 12th. She was always going coaching at that very time, but at last she was wasting her time there. She was not getting anything. So as I heard that she was going anywhere for the English speaking, so she was changing coaching institutes continuously, but after that she was not getting anything. But at last she was regretting. But what was with me, so wherever I was going, I was remaining the consistent. So at that very time I got the importance of consistency. I thought that how much consistency is important in each and every field. But at last what happened to me, I thought that I should remain away from that very girl, because she's not that much good for me. So she's just cruel, and she's not that much sympathetic, and she's she's only having the negative thoughts, and she's not that much good at studies. She's wasting her own time as well as mine. And whatever she's doing, she's telling me that she's compelling me to do the same whatever she is doing. Even I'm that much, we are just enough mates for now, so we can just find the difference in good or bad. So after that I just talked to my parents, and they said that, so why you are just reviewing your brotherhood here, like why you are willing to remain away from your friend. But I said to my parents that very girl is not that much good for me, because she's irritating my peace whenever I'm just trying to do something, whenever I'm trying to do the worship of Almighty Allah. So at that time she's calling me, and she's telling me that we have to go anywhere, we have to go here or there, I'm having work, and whenever I'm just going with that very girl, so she's wasting my time as well. So at that very time my parents said that you should think about her as well. So maybe she's having the great bond with you, so that's why. But I said to my parents that no, that very girl is not that much good for me, so I have to maintain boundary between us, because if I'll walk with that very girl, now it's our time to make our future. So as we know that now we complete our 12th as well, no, it's our precious time, so we have to utilize it. Even we are not having single second here to waste. So if we are having time here, so we have to utilize it in the great way, so that we will become something special in our lives. But the girl is not having any type of tension regarding her study. She's always willing to travel here, so she's trying to find the natural things. And whenever I'm just trying to tell her that anything regarding our future, so she's telling it that no, let studies aside, so what we are getting from it, so we should try to enjoy the nature here. And she's telling me the names of all the places here which are famous in our whole Kashmir. She's telling that I just went there previous year, today I'm just willing to go here and there. So she's totally like, she's hilarious type girl, like, and all the time she's just laughing, and she's not thinking about other persons. If I will just do cheap activities in front of the persons, I'll be ashamed. So she's such kind of girl. I don't like they types of girls. After that she's telling that no, my father is earning. So I said to her that no, our parents are earning right now, but after some time they will not earn. So right now they are doing the job, they are doing laboring for us, they are doing farming, so for us, because they know that our children are just reading, so it's their need they need money right now. But what we are doing, so we are not taking advantage of it, so we are not taking benefit of it. We are just wasting our time. Even our parents are having a lot of expectations upon us, but what we are doing here. So but the girl was telling that no, my father will earn always, but she was not having the concept. She was immature girl. So even she was young, but she was not having that much maturity. And I was always thinking about my parents. And after that I said to her that no, you should remain away from me, because you are not having that much great mentality. Because right now our parents are earning for us, so they are giving us great opportunity. So look at those with students who are not having anyone so for their care, so they are not having anyone, even they are doing good by themselves. So they are doing the farming, they are doing laboring, after that they are earning, and after that they are just managing some little bit fee for their college, for their tuition. So but you should think about your future as well. So after some time we have to become the backbone of our parents. Even they are having a lot of expectations upon us. And I said to her that I'm not comfortable with you. But at that time the girl, she realized a lot, and she said to me that no, forgive me, I was doing wrong, but from now I'm just totally lucky because I'm having friends as like you, because you made me realize so now you are just talking to me rudely. So I got the idea of real life, like how I have to live life here. So at that very time she said that no, now from now I'll become the religious girl. I'll not think about other persons, I'll only think about my parents as well as God. I'll do the worship of Almighty Allah, and I will also motivate my family members as well as you. Now we will remain together. I'll not diss you, I know you as well. So whatever I was doing, I left that aside. I'll just try to do full focus towards my studies. So it's all about it.